What's up, all you food dude and dudettes? We're at the St. Lucie Draft House taking on their Destroyer Burger. This is total 4 pounds of food with a 2-pound patty, big, dense buns, lots of vegetables, and a lot of fries covered around it. If you guys happen to be in there, please check it out. Please stop by. Tell them that you saw me doing the food challenge and you want to take it on too. As you guys can see there, the burger was steaming hot when it came out. I actually had to break it apart and let it sit for a couple minutes. That burger was probably the hottest thing that I ever had in my mouth. Wait a minute. I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. These fries were absolutely delicious. I swear on everything that these probably are my top 5 fries that I've ever had. Super crispy, fluffy in the inside. They weren't fried too much. I mean, they were literally one of the best fries that I've ever had. If they ever do a food challenge where you just have to eat as much fries as you can, I'm going to be there, and I'm probably just going to stay all day and just extend it personally because those fries were bomb. I mean, look at those damn buns. Seriously, those happen to be the biggest set of buns that I've ever seen, excluding my wife. Yeah, at this time, all I was doing is trying to rip apart this bread. This bread was massive. It was thick and it was dense. At this point, all I was doing is taking a few bites, drinking some water, taking a few bites, drinking some water, trying to put it down as quickly as I can. Not wanting to throw up was the main objective at the tail end of this food challenge.
Let me swallow it.
It's a rainstorm.
Holy shit. No, what'd you do?
Did we get pictures of it?
Wait. No, I wanted to, but he didn't. That would have ended up.
You can always screenshot. Yeah, the video is really good quality.
As you guys can see, we had a camera set up as well, and once we compared the video quality between that camera and this phone, which this phone is a iPhone 11 Pro Max Plus, we clearly seen that this video quality was much better. But if you look closely, you can see that I did complete it, and I did complete it in 22 minutes and 49 seconds. So that means I got the meal free, got a free t-shirt, and they did take a beautiful picture of myself for their wall of fame. That being said, I really do appreciate you guys watching the video. Please like, please subscribe. It does help out the channel. And please post notifications so you know what's coming up next. Thank you.